So how do you know you're in Vermont covered bridge hunting? When you find the bridge and then minutes later, a tractor pulling a load of, I'm pretty sure, manure just pulls through the bridge. I'll pull up a photo and show you guys. But yeah, beautiful views. I stopped at another stop before this, but there was a lot of people. I didn't want to make it seem awkward. A lot of them were from Quebec, so they didn't speak English. So yeah, just another bridge, Coventry / Orne covered bridge, way up in Vermont. Beautiful views, and yeah, gorgeous day to be on the motorcycle, guys. And hopefully there will be some drone footage of this. I did bring the drone today. Gotcha.
To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are never said. I spilled my coffee, I don't feel like talking. My worries just keep growing by the day. I need a moment where the green and blue appear. Just spin a rock and watch the ricochet. To the river we go. Leave our worries on the shore and drift away. On the river we know. Sometimes the perfect words are left unsaid. You could change your mind, and if you see me out there, wave hello.